Hello, friends. Today, we have a truly stylish and cozy house on review, combining modern design, comfort, and privacy. It is built from two shipping containers, but looking at it, you would never guess. This house blends perfectly with nature, creating an atmosphere of seclusion and tranquility. Let's take a closer look at what makes it so special. This is a modern container home with a unique architectural design. Its main feature is the large panoramic windows, which fill the space with light and create a sense of openness. One window faces the living room and kitchen, while the other overlooks the bedroom, offering a stunning view of the surrounding forest. Even the entrance area is designed in the same style as these windows, creating a cohesive and harmonious look. This house is perfect for those who appreciate coziness and modern minimalism. Sleek lines, metal accents, and a well-thought-out layout make it stylish yet incredibly comfortable for everyday living. It also features a spacious terrace where you can relax, enjoy nature, and spend time with loved ones. Now let's talk about the surroundings. The entire property is fully fenced, ensuring privacy and security. You don't have to worry about kids or pets. They can play freely while you unwind. Imagine arriving here after a long week at work, stepping into the living room, and instantly feeling the stress melt away. In the kitchen, a cup of aromatic coffee awaits you, while a breathtaking view of nature unfolds through the massive window. In the evening, you can enjoy a dinner outdoors. Set the table on the terrace and embrace the warm and cozy atmosphere. And if you're in the mood for extra comfort, just turn on the soft ambient lighting inside the house and relax while listening to the sounds of nature. This house is the perfect blend of style, comfort, and tranquility. Would you like to live in a place like this? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts under the video. It helps me create even better content. Enjoy watching.